January 10th, as ruled by the three-judge bench. The new Affordable Housing Bill 2023, which has so far passed the first reading stage tabled by Kikuyu lawmaker and leader of the majority at the National Assembly, Kimani Ichung'wah, on Thursday, seeks to revise the thwarted Affordable Housing Bill by regularizing illegalities, pointed out by the Constitutional Court. Stanley Lugaria now reports.
Is on the run to regig the housing levy to meet constitutional requirements. The government has retained the 1.5% deductions from the employee's salary and further 1.5% from the employers for every employee on the payroll.
Bill for an act of parliament to give effect to Article 43(1)(b) of the Constitution to provide for a framework for access to affordable housing and for connected purposes.
The bill also seeks to establish a body by putting in place legal structures governing the administration of the fund, including an executive chairperson to be appointed by the president, PSS from Treasury and Housing departments, nominees from the Council of Governors, Employees Union Kotu, the Federation of Kenyan Employees, 3 other persons not public officers who shall possess qualifications in the construction, finance or legal sectors. The board will also consist of the chief executive officer, who shall have no right to vote at a meeting of the board, which was a major argument and setback missing in the overruled levy during the hearing and ruling.
I hasten to remind members that should need arise for the House to transact any urgent business, the House will be recalled pursuant to Standing Order 29.
The Speaker of the House will be forced to recall special sitting so as to actualize the proposed bill by the government after Judges David Majanja, Christine Mioli and Lawrence Mugambi last week ruled that the introduction of the levy was discriminatory since it imposed taxes on salaried Kenyans alone and excluded those working in the informal sector. However, granting stay orders on the implementation of the judgment that rendered the housing levy unconstitutional until the January 10th to allow government plan itself accordingly. The majority leader bill further seeks to give effect to Article 43(1)(b) of the right to accessible and affordable housing and further seeks to give effect to Article 43(1)(b) of the Constitution on the right to accessible and adequate housing. The government has expanded the tax bracket to include incomes other than monthly salaries, a movement to address the issues raised by the courts regarding discrimination by targeting only salaried Kenyans. Stanley Lugaria, Look Up Tefe.